I'm an arts and cultural lecturer with a specialism in dance. Drawing on a lifetime of teaching, I explore the stories that bring the arts to life through people, places and cultures. My lecturing style is interactive and visual. It's for everybody, even if you're learning or discovering the arts for the first time. So the hornpipe, is it music? Is it dance? Is it theatre? Did it happen at different times? Did it happen together or did it evolve? Which came first? In modern days times, we record dance by video and camera. And there's something also called Benesh notation, which is a very complicated note form and writing of how you arrange dances. In 1657, there was a named hornpipe dance and instructions, in fact, in John Playford's Lady Banbury's Hornpipe. That was the third edition. So in the first edition, the hornpipe wasn't there. It was usually danced by one man. He'd obviously brought his friend on to dance here, but it was a solo because there wasn't much room on the ship.
Just a song, and everyone's dance.
Absolutely that. The sea shanty is a song, or it would have been called out, and it was a way to keep rhythm as they're working. Haul, haul, or something like this. Finally, when we hear the college hornpipe, you really will recognise the hornpipe. So the evolution up to 1770, you'll think, that's a hornpipe. I recognise that. I think you will. And we're going to, next slide please, we're going to hear music played by Jacko, and you're going to listen to the rhythm, character and style, and perhaps we could just talk about afterwards what you think about the evolution of those hornpipes and how they sound to you. Thank you, Jacko. You've got definitely in the modern day rhythm sort of the polka step, you've got hops, you've got, do you remember Eric Morecambe? Do you remember Eric Morecambe used to do that? I'm sure that's, it's looking out to sea. They would pull in the rigging, they would climb the rigging. So there's lots of movements and gestures connected to the sea like that, steps and hops. Very grounded. And as Sarah said, it's vibrant and dynamic, the hornpipe today. Here's a question to you. I've told you a little bit about the style. What echoes of the hornpipe style can you see when we play a little clip from the musical Carousel? Watch it carefully and see some of the symbolism and visual imagery that looks like sailors' movements. What did you notice? What symbolism, imagery of sailors' movements did you see?
Pulling the rope.
Pulling the ropes, yes. Yes, good.
So they're looking at the sea at the beginning.
Looking out to sea, exactly. That was right at the beginning, wasn't it? Yes. Anything else?
You mentioned about circling round.
They did the gallop circling round, didn't they? Yes, very good. So thank you very, very much for attending my lecture today. It was wonderful to meet you, and I would love to see you at my next lecture. And thank you for coming today.